Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for junior. Today I am going to show you how to draw a human figure step by step. I want to introduce my art materials: 2B or 4B pencil for drawing, a ruler, a divider and art paper also. Let's start today's drawing. At first I am drawing the vertical line at the center of the page. Now I divided this line into 8 parts. Now I am drawing an oval shape for head. According to measurement of head, now I divide it into 8 times. This is symmetrical drawing, so we should draw both sides same. Now I am drawing the same measurement at both sides. And the measurement of the shoulder are same. Now I am drawing the another parallel line. My earnest request to the viewers of my channel, watch this video till end. Don't skip the video. You can follow my drawing step by step. If you are enjoying my work, then please click the like button, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon to get regular notification for upcoming video. Now I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7.5. There is the ground level. Human front figure is symmetrical drawing. Both sides has to be same. This is our shoulder. This portion is our rib cage or chest cavity and it ends 2.5. This is the navel. This is our torso. The number 4 is for abdomen or waist portion. Five and a half, I draw the knee portion. Seventh part is ankle. Now I am drawing 2 round for shoulder. Hairlines inside, the level for eyebrow and eyes, nose and mouth. Now I divided the proportion: first for head, second for chest, third for belly and navel. Fourth is waist and abdomen. Fifth is thigh. Sixth, the junction position, the knee. Seventh is the leg. And 7.5 are feet. I finished my rough sketch. Now I finalize the drawing with a single line. So I erase all the guideline and rough drawing also. Having finished the drawing, then apply pencil shading accordingly on next episode. I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Feel free to tell us which type of painting you need to watch in our channel. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.